Welcome back to Hope, Will, and Compassion. I'm your host, Morgan. Today I'd like to talk about lawn trimming. I'm no expert in gardening by any means, but I figured I haven't seen a video about this yet, and it was really easy to use. I've already done one project with it, so I'm going to take you through a second one, and I'll show you the original one later. So as I said, this stuff is really easy to use. It comes in pieces like this, and you just join them like that and place them where you want to go, and then they give you these stakes to just hammer them in. You'll need these two pieces if you're not joining a complete square together, because as you can see, you could even rearrange it and make a square out of them. If you make a complete square, again, you won't need these two pieces. But if you're just going to make a line and not join it, you'll need what they call the male and the female piece. And so this one would go at the top if this is the end. On the top here at the end, you're going to hammer your stake in. And if this is the other end, you're just going to simply put that on like that, and then hammer that end in. Alright, cool. Let me get into this project, and you can see how easy it is to have these put in. So this is the original project my wife had in mind, and I actually feel like this is one of the projects that fits into the title of Hope, Will, and Compassion. My wife has missed her grandmother dearly, and she had always wanted to place something on our grounds to remember her by, so she put this little remembrance. So the brick itself, this is the brick. It comes in slate and sand as well. The slate looks very different construction, like kind of slate stone stacked on top of one another. But this is an easy to use, great product. As you could see, within minutes I got something in. This one we did a lot more professionally than what I was doing on the side of the house. We put the weed screed down, put the brick on, and then put the mulch in. These had been put in, the rose bushes themselves had been put in a couple of years ago. The barrels we did last year. They're plastic barrels that we got from, I don't know if it was Walmart or Home Depot. Cut them straight down, cut the circle out of the bottom, wrapped it around. I used Ziplocs in the back where I cut straight to keep it bound together. I had to drill holes, then slip that in and lock it in. And then we put some river rocks in the center. I'll admit I was worried over the winter about the river rocks because I was worried about the rocks holding in a lot more cold. But as you can see, the roses have done very well. And my wife is really pleased with this project. So am I. Again, easy to do, easy to use. Well, that's all I have. I will put some photographs on the video as well for you to see the finished look on both sides of the house. And I will put product description in the info and where you can get it. All right, that's all for this one. Be seeing you.